A tradition that's been around for over 110 years kicked off once again today in the Ohio Valley. The Salvation Army of Ohio, Tyler, Marshall, and Wetzel counties began their kettle campaign today at Cabela's in the Highlands. The campaign raises funds for the Salvation Army to help in all the services they provide throughout the year. This year they were able to provide 1,100 people with Thanksgiving meals and plan to serve the same number for Christmas. One of the lieutenants for the Salvation Army said the campaign is also a great opportunity for them to meet community members, and there are many volunteers who come out to help.
You give that dollar into that kettle, it gets compounded by all of your neighbors who are giving, and it helps meet people throughout the year. It's not just the Christmas time that these funds are used, but throughout the year.
That's the phenomenal part about it. Most of us don't realize exactly what's going on with the kettle campaign and how much more is involved with the Salvation Army.
The organization is still looking for more volunteers to help in this year's campaign. For information on how to sign up to ring or to donate, you can head to our website, WTRF.com.